Have potholes and cracks taken over your driveway or parking lot? If so, then you need a professional asphalt paving contractor who can give it a smooth surface that looks great without a high price tag. Brazos Paving has over 23 years experience in the resurfacing industry, so they can replace or seal coat your driveway or your entire parking lot and do it right. They tackle large jobs and small ones with the same old-fashioned work ethic that has given them a reputation of being honest, hardworking, and reasonably priced. In fact, Brazos has some of the best asphalt paving prices in all of Texas. When you work with Brazos Paving, you get professional results every time. So if you're located in the Abilene, Texas area, and you're looking for driveway paving or to have your whole parking lot resurfaced, call Brazos Paving at 1-800-ASPHALT. They are happy to give you a free on-site estimate. That number again is 1-800-ASPHALT. Or you can call them locally at 817-757-2507. You'll be glad you called.